Friends, we're gonna have some Omaha steaks tonight. These are your beef top sirloin steaks. And I went ahead and defrosted them. They come to you fully frozen, and so I've got them thawed. And we're gonna go ahead and use the seasoning that came with it. And we're gonna get these seasoned up because we need to let them rest fully seasoned for 30 minutes before we start cooking. So let's open these up. All right, friends, so now that we have our steaks out of the packaging, we're gonna go ahead and dry these. You want to make sure they are completely dry. All right, friends, so we're gonna go with our seasoning. This is the Omaha steak seasoning, and we are going to generously slather these in our seasoning. All right, we're gonna let these rest on the countertop for 30 minutes. All right, friends, so our steaks have been resting for 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get our skillet up to temperature. And we wanna get this nice and hot because we want a good sear on our steaks. So this awesome chart came with our steaks. And it tells you for grilling, and it tells you for searing and roasting. And it also has a template for a measurement right here. It tells you specifically for the thickness of your steak, how long you're supposed to be cooking it. So all of my steaks have been measuring about 1.5. So I'm gonna go with 1.5 right here. And we've got medium rare, which is 130 to 140. That's what we want. So side one, we're gonna go ahead and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on the skillet. And then when we flip it over, we're gonna put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. All right, so I've got oil in here, which is just lard, and I'm gonna go in with some butter too. And I'm gonna let these melt together. All right, friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with our steaks. That sizzle is what you want to hear. That's when you know your pan is hot enough. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put on my timer for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, friends, so temperature, we're going to go ahead and double check this. Make sure it is where we want it. Yep. And that's one of the bigger ones, so we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. We're gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foil on top and just leave it like that. All right, friends, so it has been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull off our steaks. All right, and to go with our steaks, we're having some homemade French fries. All right, friends, so let's go ahead and cut into one of these steaks and see how they look on the inside. Look at that. I wanted a medium rare, and that's what we got. All right, friends, now doesn't that look amazing? Perfect bite. Let's go ahead and try it and see how it tastes. Oh my God. That's really good. The seasoning is really good on it too. So tender. And so flavorful. Give it another try. So good. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen. These Omaha steaks were amazing. Definitely recommend purchasing some and giving them a try. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.